7 glamorous mermaid prom dresses. Handpicked from over 3,000 fashion designers' catalogs. At any time, click the circle and get the details about your favorite dress. Number 1. A sexy long mermaid evening dress. Featuring a backless styled, with a halter neckline, crafted from tulle, accented with beads. Available in 10 color variations, for instance, champagne, blue light and light green.
Number 2, a charming mermaid prom dress. Featuring a backless styled, and completed with beads. Available merely in this color.
Number 3, mermaid evening dress. Featuring sleeveless style, scoop neck, with a washed styling, produced with dirt-resistant tulle, styled with beads. Available exclusively in this color.
Number 4, a sexy long mermaid evening dress. Featuring a high neck, made of tulle, accented with lace. Available uniquely in this color.
Number 5. A beautiful long mermaid prom dress, made of satin, decorated with rhinestones. Available in 6 color variations, for instance, blue, gray and lilac ash. Number 6. A gorgeous full-length mermaid evening dress. Featuring sleeveless cut, with a scoop neck, produced with body-warming chiffon, styled with embroidery. Available in 8 color variations, like black, crystal blue and burgundy. Thanks for watching this hand-picked collection by #WomenFashion. And, if you didn't like it, write something mean in the below comments. Otherwise, subscribe to our channel.